Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix only few buttons working on your ZTE Android TV box. If on your ZTE Android TV box only a few buttons on the remote work, like the back button should probably work, the Google Assistant will work, the power button as well, and the volume controls. Besides that, nothing else probably is working, then that's because you might have accidentally enabled Device Info AIDL service, which is an option that shouldn't even be available, but for some reason ZTE left it available in the settings. To fix that, the only way is to plug in an external computer mouse. You can see I have a mouse here, and on the right side of the box there is a USB port. Plug the mouse in, then cursor, after a moment, will appear on your screen. Now you can go to the settings, go down to Device Preferences, then go to Accessibility, Device Info AIDL service, make sure it's disabled. You can see I'll enable it first, then you can see that basically only the back button works but nothing else works here. And if I go back to the settings and go to Device Preferences, okay, let's go back. I don't know how to, okay, I can use the back button on the remote, I forgot. Let's go to the settings, Device Preferences, Accessibility, and now go to Device Info AIDL service, disable it, click on OK, and now you'll see that everything works. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.